Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming tongue weight and that the coupler is free. This ensures correct balance. Next, insert the shank into the 2 receiver and set the head height so the trailer sits roughly level when connected. Once in place, secure the head assembly with the mounting pin and clip, hand tighten only. You will finalize torque later. By starting here, you position the hitch head where adjustments will actually change trailer attitude, so make these first moves deliberately. Once the head is mounted, lift each spring bar into its head slot and engage the retention clip. You may need a 1/2 lift or help if bars are heavy. Then hook the snap-up chains to the trailer's chain brackets, leaving measurable slack so you can fine-tune tension. Next, rotate the bars downward to apply load and use the turnbuckle or wrench to pre-tension until the trailer begins to lift slightly. This builds the distribution force that levels axle loads. Finish by torquing the mounting hardware to the manufacturer's specs and securing the pin clip so nothing shifts while driving. Connect safety chains and the breakaway cable, then lower the coupler fully and verify the trailer is level fore to aft. This confirms load distribution. Take a short test drive at low speed, then recheck hitch height and tension. If you get sway or rear sag, increase bar tension slightly or raise the hitch head and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.